Say echo. On the lookout. Whoa.
Them try fi chain we, but we spirit free. Jah guide we no captivity. Truth and rights that are me destiny. Righteous fire burn them endlessly. Them tell pure lies, them twist the tale. Try fi make the ghetto youth end up in jail. But we not fear, we not go feel. Jah ship a sail, we set the trail. Rebel soul, we not bow down. Lightning flash, hear the thunder sound. Roots still strong, them can't cut down. Babylon fall when the trumpet sound. Me see corruption deep in at them eyes. Them a fight truth, them spread pure lies. But Jah words rise, them can't disguise. Revolution chant shake the wicked skies. Me walk through fire but me never burn. Every lesson teach, every page me turn. Jah light a guide so me never yearn. For vanity life, me soul not churn. The drum them beat, the fire blaze. Every youth a chant, the spirit raise. Zion gates open, we trod for days. Jah bless we, me give me praise. Me not take no bribe, me not switch side. Righteous warrior, me trod with pride. Babylon system, them can't divide. Jah army strong, we not go hide. Rebel soul, we not bow down. Lightning flash, hear the thunder sound. Roots still strong, them can't cut down. Babylon fall when the trumpet sound. Me chant me prayer upon hills and plain. Jah wash the wicked in holy rain. No more sufferation, no more pain. We break the curse, we lose the chain. Them a fight against love, them preach bare war. Try to stop the youth from reaching far. But we rise up like shining star. Jah guidance make we know who we are. Blaze up the herb, make the spirit fly. Meditation deep, me reach so high. Jah give the strength, me not comply. To Babylon ways, me pass them by. Every ghetto youth, stand up strong. Hold the faith, chant Jah song. Now look back, keep moving on. Zion gates wide, the journey long. Rebel soul, we now bow down. Lightning flash, hear the thunder sound. Roots still strong, them can't cut down. Babylon fall when the trumpet sound. Me trod in a light, me walk the way. Jah bless me night and day. No matter the fight, me never stray. Righteous fire, me burn and stay. Silence we, but we voice too strong. Chanting truth from dusk till dawn. The wicked are run, them know them wrong. Rasta rise up, we stand lifelong. Them take the gold, them take the land. Still Jah blessing upon me hand. No politician can break me plan. Me walk with Jah, me overstand. Fire can't cool, flame still burn. Shake when the tables turn. Truth arise, no time stand up tall. Rasta never stumble, we never fall. The wicked a plan, but Jah hear the call. The righteous arise, them can't stall. System corrupt, them full up of lies. Try fi hide truth, but it shine in our eyes. Them build them fence, them build them gate, but Jah a the ruler, he never late. Jah Kingdom Rise, Babylon fall. Trumpet sound, hear the judgment call. Righteous trod, we never crawl. Fire ablaze, it burn them all. Them sell out soul, the diamond and gold, but them hearts still empty, them life so cool. We rather stay real, me nah be fool. Jah wisdom guide me, me never lose. Them come with war, but we chant for peace. Babylon shake when the truth release. Ghetto youth rise, the chains decrease. We trod it strong till the wicked cease. Drums a beat, the earth a shake. The lion roar, the wicked wake. Them can't stop what Jah create. The victory near, we celebrate. No more hunger, no more pain. Jah wash the world in holy rain. Me see the sign, me hear the sound. Zion gates open, we trod it down. Jah Kingdom rise, Babylon fall. Trumpet sound, hear the judgment call. Righteous trod, we never crawl. Fire ablaze, it burn them all. Babylon system soon collapse. Them take and take, but them can't relax. Jah children strong, we full of vibes. The message spread to all the tribes. The youth them wise, them overstand. The time is now, we take the stand. No turning back, no second chance. The righteous trod, we in a trance. One by one, we chant them down. No more tricks, we wear the crown. The kingdom come, the light a show. The truth reveal, the river flow. Me now watch them, me stay focused. Jah words deep, it keep me righteous. Them can't shake we, them can't break we. The foundation firm, them can't replace we. Jah Kingdom rise, Babylon fall. Trumpet sound, hear the judgment call. Righteous trod, we never crawl. Fire ablaze, it burn them all. The journey long, but we still hold tight. Jah guide with you. Zion echoes. Them try to stop we, but them can't break the chain. Lightning flash, hear the thunder rain. Babylon a fall, them can't maintain. Righteousness rise, fire burn in vain. Me see them tricks, me see them plan. Them a try control the heart of man, but Jah Light a lead, me still a stand. Me trod the road where still a see ban. Jah Light a lead, me nah go stray. Even when the storm come night and day. Them attack but me walk Jah way. Zion a me home, me dep on me way. Them set up system fi keep me low, but the youths arise, them start fi grow. Word sound power, let the wisdom flow. Jah bless we that me know. Me nah fear them, me nah bow down. Me chant the psalms when the evil sound. Jah army strong, we wear the crown. Righteous fire, it burn them down. Jah Light a lead, me nah go stray. Even when the storm come night and day. Them attack but me walk Jah way. Zion a me home, me dep on me way. Them build up walls but we kick them down. Truth rise up, it spread all round. No more sorrow, no more frown. Jah rule, the trumpet sound. Me feel Jah spirit beating on me soul. The righteous fight for the higher goal. No vanity, no silver, no gold. know them do. The seed them planted start fi bloom. Me nah look back, me nah consume. Jah sunrise shine out the gloom. Jah light a lead, me nah go stray. Even when the storm come night and day. Them attack but me walk Jah way. Zion a me home, me dey on me way. Stand firm, never lose the fight. Jah shine bright like the morning light. Hold the faith and trod upright. Righteous path I keep we tight. Zion echoes, yeah. Zion echoes, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Me wake up this morning, give thanks for life. The battle rough, but me still survive. Babylon try fi hold we down, but Jah bless, we wear the crown. Them set them trap, but we step right through. Wisdom guide we, Jah word stay true. No more chains, no more lies. My spirit strong, my soul not die. Rise up strong, we not bow down. Jah light shine, the truth renown. Stand firm tall, we hold the ground. Righteous fire, I burn them down. Them preach division, them love the war. Them sell out soul for fancy car. But we not move, we know we place. Jah give me strength, me walk with grace. Me chant my psalms, me sing my song. The journey tough, but we trod along. The system fake, them heart, them cold. But the truth worth more than silver and gold. Light up the fire, let the healing start. Righteous love living on me heart. No more pain, no more fight. Jah bless, we day and night. Me hold the faith, me trust Jah plan. No wicked heart can't stop the man. Me live for love, me walk the way. Jah words guide me night and day. Rise up strong, we not bow down. Jah light shine, the truth renown. Stand firm tall, we hold the ground. Righteous fire, I burn them down. Babylon fault, me hear the sound. Them kingdom shake, them system drown. The trumpet blow, the lion wake. The youth them rise, the chains them break. No more hunger, no more cry. Jah wipe the tears from ghetto eye. Me see the vision, me see the sign. The righteous rule in Jah own time. Them try to stop we, but we not fear. Jah guide, Jah always near. The road them long, but me still hold on. Jah word strong like the rising sun. Them want see we feel, but we still there. Shooter shine like the morning star. We not retreat, we not lose sight. Jah give we strength to fight the fight. Rise up strong, we not bow down. Jah light shine, the truth renown. Stand firm tall, we hold the ground. Righteous fire, I burn them down. Keep the faith, me tell you now. Jah hand strong, it guide we how. One day soon, the world shall see the righteous rule eternally. Zion, oh, Zion, oh, that Canada, oh, feel the urban and the arrowhead. Scoop rise high, I go anywhere. John is the danger, is the heel and swell at it up, left share, left share. Them a try to silence we, but we still a talk. The ghetto youth rise, we ready fi walk. Babylon plan, but we break them chain. Jah rule, we break the pain. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we stand up firm in Jah light. Them spread them lies, but we see it clear. The truth a shine, Jah always near. Feel the herb inna the arrowhead, so cries I, we a bow anywhere. Jah best the damn Jah him's the healer, the share, light it up, let's share, let's share. Them poison the youth with wicked mind. Try fi make them deaf, try fi make them blind. But the truth too strong, the fire blaze. The righteous rise in these days. Me trot through valley, me climb the hill. Jah words a guide me, me hold me still. No more chains pan me soul. Freedom shine, the story told. Rise up, warrior stand. Jah give the power fi move the land. No retreat, no surrender. The victory sweet, we remember. Them can't stop the righteous plan. Jah work strong in every man. The system shake, the time soon done. We chant the psalm till the morning come. Feel the herb in my hair, oh yeah. So cries I, we a go anywhere. Jah bless the danger, this the healer, me swear. Light it up, let's share, let's share. Zion eos, Zion eos. Vicamadi goes. Ghetto youth rise, take back the street. Babylon tremble under we feet. The struggle real, but the love much higher. Jah at the source, Jah the fire. Me see the vision, me hear the call. The system crumble, the wicked fall. We nah bow down, we nah take bribe. Jah people strong in every tribe. One love, one light, we shine so bright. The darkness fade, we win this fight. Drums a beat, the sound a roar. The gates of Zion open door. Me lift me hands, me praise the King. The birds them fly, the choir. Zion echoes. Emantally pushed in by Sias Jadis. Jah timing, the depth on the journey. Through the hills and the valleys, the work it shall. Burden down the land in feel the mercy. Jah guide me at your under. Jah guide me, the depth on the journey. Through the hills and the valleys, the work it shall. Burden down the land in feel the mercy. Jah guide me at your under. Me see them scheme, me see them lies. Them hide the truth, them twist the ties. But Rasta wise, we not fall down. The king soon come, we wear the crown. Warriors of Jah, we stand up tall. No chain can hold, we break them all. Lightning flash, Babylon crawl. Jah fire burn, them kingdom fall. Me chant me prayer, me walk with grace. Jah protect me in this place. No evil heart can shift me way. Me hold the faith, me kneel and pray. Ghetto youth rise, wipe you tears. No more doubt, no more fears. The trumpet sound, salvation near. Jah word strong, it guide with me. The depth and the trailing. Through the hills and the valleys, me walk it short. Burden than the enemy filled with mercy. Jah guide me, the Akio and Jah guide me. The depth and the trailing. Through the hills and the valleys, me walk it short. Burden than the enemy filled with mercy. Jah guide me, the Akio Righteous track, we stay divine. No more tricks, the sun must shine. Warriors of Jah, me know the time. The stars align, the heavens sign. Righteous track, we stay divine. No more tricks, the sun must shine. The bed by me journey, Judy pins and the valleys. We won't kick shore, heading on the NFL the mercy. Jah guide me, the Akio and the Jah glide me. The bed by me journey, Judy pins and the valleys. We won't kick shore, heading on the NFL the mercy. Jah guide me, the Akio and early. The earth a tremble, the system shake.
Them up the wall, but we tear it down. Jah light a shine, we now wear no frown. Them lock the gate, but we break the chain. Truth arise, we wash the pain. Them sell out love, them buy your peace. But Babylon rule soon after cease. Me chant the psalms, me send up prayers. Jah guide me through the layers. Freedom call, the trumpet sound. Jah light shine, it shake the ground. Every ghetto youth stand up strong. The time is now, we trod along. Them tell we lie, them twist the truth. Try if it poison the mind of youth. But we not bow, we hold your name. Rasta trod, we break them game. The system weak, the people wise. The veil get lift from all them eyes. The fire burn, the wicked run. No more darkness, Jah kingdom come. Chant me song, let the world unite. Jah give strength, we win this fight. No more chains, no more cry. The revolution reach the sky. Them can't stop the rising sun. The judgment set, the time soon come. We stand firm on righteous ground. The trumpet sound, we hear the drum. Freedom call, the trumpet sound. Jah light shine, it shake the ground. Every ghetto youth stand up strong. The time is now, we trod along. Them print the money, them buy the soul. But them hearts stay empty, them never whole. The fire blaze, the world must see. Jah kingdom rule for eternity. Me change a name, pan hills and plains. Me nah bow down, me break them chains. No politician, no wicked game. Jah people strong, we rise again. One by one, the youth them rise. We see the light, it clear me eyes. No more fear, no more lies. Jah kingdom stand, it never dies.
Zion echoes. Them want see we fall, but we stand up strong. Rasta never shake, we a chant all along. Them can't break the bond, the roots too deep. Jah guide me step, my soul not sleep. Them set up trap, but me jump them gate. Jah show me love, me nah no hate. Fire in me heart, it a burn so bright. Truth and rights, me defend them right. Lion a roar, we nah back down. Jah light shine when the night come round. We trod it strong, now we're no frown. Babylon shake. Jah open door, Jah bless the team. Selassie I rule, the truth redeem. Chalice ablaze, wisdom elevate. Me hold Jah words, me meditate. The journey long, but me never late. Rasta treading, me hold me faith. Sound the drum, make the trumpet blow. Rasta rise up, make the whole world know. Zion calling, feel Jah flow. No more war, let love just grow. Them control system, them tell pure lie, but truth a shine, it can't deny. Youth them rise, them spirit fly. No more sufferation, dry your eye. Lion a roar, we not back down. Jah light shine when the night come round. We tried it strong, now we're no frown. Babylon shake, them kingdom drown. The ghetto youth tired of hunger and pain. Still the struggle real, but we rise again. Jah never fail, Jah break the chain. Me hold the faith, me walk again. Righteous soldier, me nah retreat. Drums a beat when me step on street. Every revolution start with speech. Me chant the psalms, the message reach. No more pressure, no more fight. No more darkness, Jah bring the light. No more hatred, love ignite. Rasta live up, stand upright. Me trod in a Zion, me soul feel free. Jah carry me through, Jah set me free. Babylon walls, them crumble and flee. Rasta chant loud, victory. Lion a roar, we not back down. Jah light shine when the night come round. We tried it strong, now we are no frown. Babylon shake, them kingdom drown. Jah guide me, me walk the way. Every morning, me kneel and pray. No matter the try. The whole of them a fight we, but we still there. Jah bless me soul, me nah have no fear. Them try fi block the road, but me trod it clear. Zion train a come, me can hear the snare. Them build up wall, but we climb it high. Chant me psalms, send them to the sky. Every youth arise, open up them eye. Babylon shake, them can't deny. Zion train a come, me hear the sound. Every ghetto youth stand firm, stand ground. No more sufferation, no more bound. Jah light a shine, righteousness surround. Me step with courage, me step with grace. Jah put the wisdom right in on me face. No matter the struggle, no matter the race. Zion train a roll it a mash up the place. Me nah look back, me just move ahead. Now listen to the wicked way I talk about dread. Me see them tricks, them system dead. Jah Kingdom Rise, me spirit fed. The drum a beat, the fire a burn. The tables turn, Babylon fi learn. Me see the signs, me wait, me turn. Zion train a come, the wheels them turn. Me chant Jah name till the morning light. Guidance strong, me future bright. Evil lurks, but me hold on tight. Jah hand strong, me walk upright. Zion train a come, me hear the sound. Every ghetto youth stand firm, stand ground. No more sufferation, no more bound. Jah light a shine, righteousness surround. The wicked flee when the righteous talk. Truth a shine like a lantern spark. Them can't stop we, the lion walk. Jah guide me steps, me trod me path. Rise up strong, hold your faith. Jah never late, me know him great. Them can't defeat, me lock the gate. The righteous rule, them can't temptate. Light up the fire, let the spirit run. Chant up the message, the journey done. No more fear, the battle won. Zion train a roll, Jah Kingdom come. Me sight the vision, me hear the call. The wicked plan, but them soon shall fall. Jah are the ruler,
above them all. Stand up tall, me never stall. Zion trainer come, me hear the sound. Every ghetto youth stand firm, stand ground. No more separation, no more bound. Jah light to shine, righteousness surround. Keep treading on, the journey long. Hold your hand, keep standing strong. Day and night, sing the righteous song. Zion trainer come, it won't be long.
Fire within, it a blaze so bright. The spirit in me, it a give me sight. Through the darkness, through the endless night. The fire of love, it a bring the light. Babylon system, them try to oppress. But Jah within, they know me bless. The flames of truth we have to confess. The fire burn strong, no more or less. Oh Jah, like the fire from the soul. Make me steadfast, make me whole. Through the trials, me take control. With Jah guidance, me reach me goal. Fire within, it can't be tamed. Jah spirit blaze, it can't be named. The righteous path we have to proclaim. Fire within, forever in flame. Yo, them wonder how the flames still grow. When Babylon try to make we low, the fire of Jah, it a overflow. The every seed of hope, we make it so. The heat of the spirit, it purify. Burn the chains, we make we cry. The fire within, Jah a magnify. With every chant, we testify. Oh Jah, the flames within me heart. Make me strong, make me take me part. The fire of love, a divine art. Jah guide me steps from the very start. Through the ashes, new life rise. The fire within, it a touch the skies. The wicked them flee, them can't disguise. Jah truth a blaze, it can't demise. The every youth, the fire I give. Make the spirit strong, make the burden shift. The flames of love we chant and uplift. The fire within, Jah blessings drift. Fire blaze eternal and free. Jah light a shine for eternity. The fire within, it a guide we see. Through the storms, Jah set we free. Fire Jah blaze, eternal and free. Jah light a shine for eternity. The fire within, it a guide we see. Through the storms, Jah set we free. Zion echo. Me say one people, one heart, one mind. Jah message of unity we have to find. Through the struggles where we face, we realign. Unity call make the world combine. For the nations were torn by hate and greed. Jah love are the answer where we need. The roots of we ancestors plant the seed. Unity call for every creed. Oh Jah, the call of love we hear. Make we rise above the pain and fear. The path of unity Jah make clear. We chant for the world, Jah words declare. Unity call for the hearts to mend, for the broken soul.
Jah call we all, make we dreams redeem. The power of love are the ultimate scheme. Unity call the eternal theme. We broke down the barriers where Babylon built. For the arts were wounded, Jah love instill. The vibes of peace, the world fulfill. Unity call, Jah holy will. Oh Jah, the voices rise as one. Make the light of peace shine like the sun. Unity call, Jah work just begun. We chant the song till the victory won. Through the valleys dark and the mountains high, the unity call we can't deny. For the future youth, Jah words apply. One people, one love, Jah truth supply. The call of unity, it a break the chain. The love of Jah, a soothe the pain. With every voice, we chant the refrain. Unity call for the world to gain. Unity call, it a echo strong. For the broken world, Jah right the wrong. With love and peace, Jah make we belong. Unity call, Jah voice we song. Zion echoes. Me chant a prayer upon me knees at night. For the warriors out there where you fight the fight. In a the battlefield we hold Jah light. No fear the darkness, Jah make it bright. Them try to test me but Jah give me strength. Through every trial Jah extend the length. We walk with courage, we know how to pretend. We are warriors for life till the very end. Oh Jah, hear me cry, guide me hand. Help me trod through the sinking sand. Them can't hold we down, Jah bless the land. We fight for justice, we make the stand. Jah warriors, strong and free. Guided by Jah in a unity. Through the fire, through the sea, we chant Jah name for eternity. Babylon system them built for oppress, but Jah wisdom we use for progress. We no bow for greed, we no bow for stress. Jah love are the armor where we possess. For every youth we suffer, me say hold the line. The path might rough, but Jah make it fine. We stand as lions in the jungle divine. The spirit of Jah, it forever shine. Oh, the rhythm a guide me soul. Jah keep we steady, make the story unfold. With every beat and every word me hold. For the warriors out there, bold and untold. We prioritize like the morning sun. For the warriors we fight till the battle done. We say one by one, we overcome. Jah light of the victory we can be won. With Jah shield on me heart, me move, me press. Every step a blessing, me can't distress. We chant the psalms, we no second guess. Jah warriors, we forever bless. Oh, oh, oh. Oh Jah, me thank you for the strength to give, for the courage to fight and the love to live. In a this prayer, me soul you live. Jah warriors chant, for Jah we gift. Jah warriors, strong and free, guided by Jah in a unity. Through the fire, through the sea, we chant Jah name for eternity. on me face. Grateful for the blessings and the gift of His grace. Babylon, them a fight, but we replace. We no run from the system, we embrace Jah pace. The journey long, but we carry the fire for the hearts we cold. Jah love inspire. Them try fi blind we with them earthly desire, but me soul reach higher. Me not tire. Them can't dim the light where Jah provide. Inna me heart, the spirit reside. From the hills to the sea, we trod and glide. Jah love are the ultimate guide. Jah light chant forever. Through the stormy weather, we rise together. Me people clever. Jah light it shine forever. Them try to lock the door, but Jah open wide. Them try to break with faith, but Jah take the ride. With the rhythm and the vibes, me no have to hide. Me chant it loud, the truth can divide. For every man, every queen, every child out there, hold the banner high, no live in a despair. Jah light at the beacon for the ones who care. Forward we a march, we no take no fear. Oh, Jah guide me steps in a the darkest hour. For every tree we grow, Jah provide the power. Through the thunderstorm, Jah make the blessing shower. We rise up stronger than the Babylon tower. The light of Jah shine bright on me way. Even when the clouds darken up the day, we keep the meditation, chant and pray. The works of Jah we have to display. For the youth we feel lost, Jah show the path. For the ones in the struggle, Jah break the rot. With the love we Jah give, we take the path. Cleanse the soul, make the joy surpass. Jah light me say, it can't fade. For the truth we shine, the foundation laid. Inna the valley or the mountain shade, Jah light forever, it can't degrade. Jah light shine forever. Through the stormy weather, we rise together. Me people clever. Jah light it shine forever. Jah light shine forever. Through the stormy weather.
You said the world needs love, no more hate. Babylon system, them seal them fate. We rise above them with Jah as me mate. Love are the key, fi it not too late. Inna the streets we say spread the peace. Fi every war we go on, make the violence cease. The healing where we need, Jah release a revolution of love. We chant fi increase. Me say one heart, one aim, one destiny. We chant it loud for the world to see. Through the struggles and pain, just set we free. A love revolution, we unity. Love revolution, we rise and sing. One vibration for every king and queen. Me say love, Jah love are the healing thing. For the world in pain, let the joy begin. From Kingston to Nairobi, we chant the word. Every corner of the earth, the message heard. Love are the weapon sharper than sword. Babylon tremble when the people move forward. No matter the race, the creed, the land, we all are one people, we have to overstand. We broke down the barriers with Jah command. The revolution of love are the master plan. Oh, 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 the rhythm of flow. The seeds of love, me have to sow. We plant it deep, make the healing grow. Jah love at the river where overflow. We say love inna the action, love inna the sound. Love for the people we just surround. love, love, the ultimate power for the world in darkness. Jah make it shower the revolution of love for every hour. We rise above hate, Jah make it tower. Yeah, man. Me roots run deep like the banyan tree. From the mountains to the sea, Jah set me free. Reggae beats I play, feel the harmony. Feed the ghetto youth rise up, claim the victory. Them say me culture old, me say it timeless. Wisdom pan the rhythm, Jah make it finest. The ancestors guide we through the blindness. We carry the touch, the flame is brightness. Them can't bury the truth where we hold. The story of his struggles can be told. From the elders to the youth, the fire unfold. Roots and culture, richer than gold. Roots and culture, the strength where we keep. Through the struggle, through the tears where we weep. Hold the banner high, we are tried it steep. Feed the future generation, the love run deep. Every drum beat, carry the storyboard. Feed the youth we cold, give them Jah gold. The knowledge of the past can't ever fold. It's a treasure more precious than diamond or gold. Feed the world divided, just say unite. Me chant this song a day and night. Through the darkness, Jah light shine bright. Roots and culture, hold it tight. The ancestors whispers, them tell we true. Make we know Jah plan, make the heart renew. The fire of the past are like feeding you. We trod forward strong, righteousness pursue. Roots and culture, the strength where we keep. Through the struggle, through the tears where we weep. Hold the banner high, we are trod it steep. Feed the future generation, the love run deep. Oh Jah, me spirit of you rest on you. Inna the roots of the earth, the culture grew. Feed the youth we stray, Jah call them true. The vibes are the healing where we pursue. The reggae music carry the essence strong. In the rhythm of the heartbeat, Jah love belong. The legacy live, we chant Jah song. Roots and culture, we carry it along. Oh Jah, the spirit within, feed the world we sin, make love begin. Roots and culture, me family kin. The battle is tough, but we sure fi win. Yeah. Zion echoes. Rasta man so high, man, give me the sweet car. Them chain the people, try to lock them voice. But Jah truth arise where them can't disguise. Rhythm on the battlefield make the world rejoice. Babylon a tumble, we make the right righteous choice. Feed the ghetto man, the queen, the picnic them. We sing a song for freedom like a healing stem. No matter how the storm rage, we not condemn. We hold the light of Jah, it a guide the gem. Rise up the banner high, let it wave in the sky. Every man and woman knows that freedom can die. The chains of oppression, Jah break them apart. We chant the psalms, let the healing start. Freedom chant, we a chant it strong. From Kingston to Africa, them have to sing along. One love vibration, make the weak them strong. Jah fire keep on, it can't go wrong. Feed the youth in the streets where them try to silence. We chant for the peace, no war, no violence. Riddim in our veins, it a moving sequence. Jah love on the earth, it a make the difference. Rise up my brother from the dust below. Sister, you a queen, let the knowledge flow. Babylon system can't hold the glow. We break every chain, make the blessing show. Lift up your eyes to the hills above. Just send the rain fi wash we in love. No matter how them fight with the strength can't end. We are soldiers of Jah and Jah we depend. Freedom chant, we a chant it strong. From Kingston to Africa, them have to sing along. One love vibration make the weak them strong. Jah fire keep on, it can't go wrong. Through the deserts dry, Jah ascend the breeze. Through the forest dense, Jah protect with trees. No man is a slave, Jah break the disease. We stand as warriors, Babylon on its knees. Them say we small, but Jah make we great. Through every trial, me walk with faith. Freedom chant, on every gate. We rewrite the script, change the fate. Freedom, freedom, Jah song of grace. Lift every nation to a higher place. Babylon can't stop the love we embrace. We chant the freedom for the human race. Freedom, freedom, Jah song of grace. Lift every nation to a higher place. Babylon can't stop the love we embrace. We chant the freedom for the human race. Freedom, freedom, Jah song of grace. Lift every nation to a higher place. Babylon can't stop the love we embrace. We chant the freedom for the human race. Me step on the road where Jah prepare. With the breeze pon me face, the vision clear. The hills them steep, but me can't fear. Jah guide me steps, me know him near. The stars are shine like the ancients' eyes. Them tell we the truth, them expose the lies. The rhythm in me heart, it can't disguise. We chant Jah name, it a reach the skies. Oh Jah, me spirit rise like the sun. Through the struggles, me know the battle won. The mystic path where we trod upon. A journey for truth, where can be done. Mystic journey for the soul to grow. Through the valleys deep, Jah blessings flow. We are trod the heights, where few can know. Mystic journey, Jah light a glow. The whispers of the trees, them tell me tale of warriors strong when no bow or fail. Through the thunderstorm, through the hurricane gale, Jah love at the anchor where we always sail. The earth's a guide with the heavens inspire. The rhythm of fuel, feed the soul's desire. Feed the mystic heights, Jah take we higher. Through the cleansing rain and the holy fire. Oh Jah, me follow the signs you give. The path of life will set me free. Every step a mystery way unfold for me. The mystic journey, eternal and free. Them a wonder how we find we way. But Jah wisdom guide we night and day. For every struggle, me chant and pray. The mystic journey can lead astray. For the youth we search, the elders them show. The roots of truth make the spirit grow. The mystic journey, Jah make we know. In a delight, we are always glow.
mystic path, Jah make it clear. Through the trials, me know him near. The journey of life, the spirit cheer. Mystic journey, me trod with care. Riddim of life, it's a place so sweet. Every heartbeat, it a move me feet. Jah guide the melody, make the vibes complete. The song of life, we a trod pon repeat. For every rise and fall, the rhythm stay true. Through the darkest times, Jah make we renew. The drums of creation, them beat for you. The rhythm of life, it a carry with you. Oh Jah, the rhythm a guide me way. Make me strong in the night and day. Through the valleys low and the mountains gray. Riddim of life, Jah words we say. Riddim of life, Jah make it flow. Through the highs and lows, Jah blessing show. The song of creation, it make we grow. Riddim of life, the truth we know. The bassline deep like the ocean wide. Jah love in the rhythm, we can't hide. The melody sweet, it a touch we inside. The rhythm of life, the spirit a guide. Them can't stop the vibes where Jah provide. It a carry we through like a holy tide. For every soul, the rhythm collide. With Jah music, we always abide. Oh Jah, the harmony true and divine. For the hearts where broken, it realign. The rhythm of life, it a make we shine. Jah love eternal, it can't decline. For every youth, the rhythm a teach. For every soul, it a try fi reach. Through the darkness, the light we preach. The rhythm of life, Jah message speech. The song of life, it a never end. The vibes of Jah, it a transcend. The rhythm of life, Jah a defend. With love and peace, Jah spirit send. Rhythm of life, it a always play. Inna the night, inna the bright of day. The melody of Jah, it can't betray. Riddim of life, Jah word